Hey everybody, my name is Vinny. You're watching Dirty Offroad. We have a brand new project here. This is a 2009 Jeep JK. This belongs to my daughter's boyfriend. I'll pop up the picture right here to see him. They use this Jeep primarily to go to the beach. It's a two-wheel drive. It's got some issues. So I figured this would be a great opportunity to fix or work on some of those issues because the JKs, they've had problems. So we'll be able to fix those or show you how to fix those. To start off with, there's a check engine light on. His tire pressure light is on. His seatbelt doesn't unclick, which is kind of a pain in the butt. The other thing is the dashboard lights up. Random issues randomly for no reason at all. There might be an oil leak, there might not be an oil leak. The doors need help. He does have doors and all the accoutrements that go with the top, but he hasn't put this top up in 3 years. So I put it up the other day because the sun was beating the hell out of me and I had a bit of a hangover. So that was fun. What else? And those are just a few of the issues we're having, and I really don't know where to start. We'll probably start somewhere easy. We're gonna probably start with the TPMS sensors, and we'll get the Jeep up in the air, and we'll look at the bottom, see if we see any issues there. But yeah, this is a little project Jeep, so we'll just go from there and go step by step by step. If there's anything that pops up that you guys have a problem with, please comment down below, because that might be something that we don't know to look for, if that makes sense. I haven't looked under the hood yet, so... Oh, here's a... The other thing we gotta do is, look at these headlights. We could polish those headlights clean, you know? Oh. I don't even know what motor's in this. Definitely not a big one. So it's the V6, looks like the Pentastar motor. Or Pentastar. I'm not sure if this is a Northern Jeep. Hey Derek, come here real quick. Do you think all this pitting is from being by the beach? Or do you think it's from being up north and dealing with salt? Just off the rip before we put it up in the air.
Well, knowing and overhearing what you said earlier about him having not even putting the top on this thing in how long?
3 years.
3 years. I can also assume that this has never been washed at all either, right? In any way, shape, or form.
Definitely
so, and I think they go to the beach, you said, pretty often. I saw that they have a parking pass on the windshield for the beach.
Literally every day.
This is definitely salt from the beach. Oh yeah, yeah. So look at the doors.
Yeah,
and those are even aftermarket. So they've definitely seen some salt. Yeah, the pitting on the aluminum pretty regular. This is definitely sea salt built up. You could probably season a steak with all the salt under the hood.
Yes, I don't disagree.
Yep.
Well, some of the good things are the brakes work very well.
You know what would be good on that?
What
would be good on that? Purple power.
Ooh, purple power. Purple power. It drives very nice considerably. I didn't drive it on the highway. It does have a little pickup when needed. It's not re-geared. It is two-wheel drive, like I said earlier. You know, but like I said, this Jeep is strictly, it was his high school Jeep. Go around town, go to the beach. His family uses it.
Just not on the beach.
Just not on the beach. Just to the beach.
To the beach.
And yeah, I'm sure we're gonna find some other issues, but I'm really looking forward to working on this. One of the biggest problems with older Jeeps, as you guys know, is the fenders and how they change color. So we're gonna try 3 or 4 different products or chemicals or some weird science stuff to see if we can make them dark again and to see if they stay dark. I think that's gonna be a big winner. I'm very curious to see what will work and what won't work. One of the best things I think I've seen is where they take a blowtorch and just heat up the plastic. I think that might be the most inexpensive and best, but we'll see. Other than that, I look forward to sharing it with you, and I hope you like this series of Dirty Offroad. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.